So this is a Sprite Major 4EB. It's going to take you through the operation of the caravan. Above the door you've got your mains control panel, so you've got power on. The heating's trying to come on a different power supply. Hang on a moment. What's going on there? There we go. There we go. Right, so 14.1 watts of power in the battery at the moment. Just going to turn this radio off, wherever it is. So that main control panel, sorry, I was saying, you've got your awning lights, internal lights across the top, and then your roof lights of the caravan. Battery voltage here, water pump switch just here, and your mains on and off switch just here. You can actually, when it's on dimmer here, adjust the brightness of the lights above the cabinets. As you can see, they'll get brighter and duller depending on which way you have that. So to fill the water system, you'll first of all come underneath the seat on the far side of the caravan with the aqua roll connector on the outside. I'll show you that in a moment. With the switch there in the position it's in now. To drain the water system down, you'll open up the valve like so, but to fill it you'll need it in this position here. To fill, before you fill it, you come over to the taps on board the caravan, open them all up on the hot side. Just take that out there for a moment. You then go to the sink and shower also, and you do the same thing. I'm not going to do the sink one because customers already put some piece in here. You would then come back up to the control panel above the door with the aqua roll connector on the outside and hit the water pump switch just here. That will then fill the water system, and once the water's coming out the taps continuously, you can shut each tap off, and then you can go over to the water heating and heating of the caravan. So on the control panel just here, you have the mains heating and hot water control panel. You hit the center button to go into the options. The first option you come to here is internal room temperature. So you spin the dial, and for instance we're going to put it on 20 degrees for now. I'm going to turn that straight off in a moment. So you can set it at 20 degrees and that'll be your heating set. The next one across here is your water temperature. So you've got water on, eco, hot and boost. Eco is around 35 degrees, hot around 60, and boost is for when you're showering. We'll leave this turned off for now. The next switch over here, or the next symbol over here, is for the power supply that you've got coming into the caravan. Here you've got your option to run on gas, so if you just want it to run solely on gas with the heating and hot water, you'd have to hit the button and press the central button here. Mix 1 is gas and electric combination, so 1000 watts of power, 2000 watts of power, mix of gas and electric. Mix 1 is electric on its own, 1000 watts of power, and electric 2 is 2000 watts of power on its own. On the end you've got your option to run the fan system on board, so the blown air. You've got off, vent, which you'll hit the button in, then you can select the fan speed on this dial. You've then at the bottom here got your timers, your clock, and your advanced settings, which we do advise you read the book for. The fridge, fairly straightforward, power on. At the moment it's connected on mains power, as you can see here, and it's set to auto. If you want to change the power supply you're using, so when you're travelling down the road you can use the fridge as a cool box, you'll put it onto the battery symbol just here. If you want to run on gas, so it will self-ignite normally, but the gas is currently turned off. The pilot light will be here at the bottom, the blue light, and if it does fail to ignite, as it has done now, the blue warning light will come on here. We're just going to... So the next thing we're going to come to is the cooker. Cooker works like your household, no difference at all. Igniter on the front, as you can see, and when your gas is turned on, that'll ignite up and kick in. Toilet, electric flush on top, as you can see. And then you've got your waste flap just down here. Shower, sink and bedroom, all very self-explanatory. Nothing really to show you in there. The bed lifts up so you can store underneath the bed. And that's really about it inside of the van. I'm going to take you around the outside now. So as we take you around the outside of the van, you've got your hookup point on the front of the van. We'll show you that when you're here on site. Gas bottle and gas pipe work inside the box in the front locker just there. Water pump connection and barrel, your back roll barrel. 110 amp leisure battery on board this particular van, and then you've got your power lead, motor mover control switch behind there, which again we'll demonstrate in person. Wind down leg on each side of the van at the front on either side. You've then got your fridge vents. One will take in some hot air and one will blow out some hot air, and one will take in some cool air. Motor mover, which again we'll demonstrate while you're here on site. You then come to your toilet cassette. So this is 3.5 litres of water you need to put in the flush tank and a capful of the pink fluid. Then in the bottom, in the toilet cassette itself, you need to put 1 litre of water before use and a capful of the blue fluid. Down the side then you've got your grey waste pipes. So you'd put them down into your waste master. And on the back of the caravan, you've got your wind down legs, as you'd expect to see. I hope this video has been of some help. If you've got any further questions regarding the Sprite Major F4F EB, then please do give us a call here at the Caravan Company. Thank you very much. Bye bye.